Now, that can be a burden, right? We understand, starting fresh or focusing on cleaning an org when there's the pressures of delivering profitable growth and there's the pressures of doing more with less. That's really hard to spend money on, spend time on. And so, what we like to think about is obviously there's short term and then there's long term. And this is where I think our ecosystem of partners like you all at Thunder are differentiated because you can be lean, you can be agile, and you can get in there and really go invest with the customer in a way that allows them to think about the most impactful, call it get healthy investments they can make, while in parallel starting to activate some of their future vision so that they're not waiting. I think the biggest dilemma customers have is they want to go step one, then step two. And where I encourage our customers to think differently is you can do both if you have the right partner. And Thunder is proving to be able to help with a lot of that.